to EJ. Now looking at EJ, okay, from last week, I was more or less positive the price was going to come back into 167,500. Though we did last week, I was expecting another leg to the downside following the 4-hour structure type from Monday. So now seeing how the daily candle closed right here, okay, you can see we've had 1, 2, 3 morning star formation, a clear morning star formation of key level of support 168,750, okay, and a closure or to the upside indicating a lot of bullish momentum. And if you follow us on the channel from the previous video, I more or less called out that if we see a bullish types momentum of on Monday, okay, well, we expect price to be bullish for the rest of the week because, okay, looking at the weekly time frame, okay, looking at the weekly time frame, you can see the weekly is making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and a potential higher low region could ensue. Okay, as you can see, we've more or less tapped and layered off at 38.2, making a at and 168,750. Okay, so that's a confluence area in and of itself because 38.2 is a PRZ level for the Fibonacci. Okay, so looking at the daily, mm, so looking at the daily, we've seen the daily close with so much bullish momentum. Okay, now coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the 4-hour, the daily, okay, pushed price from the market started somewhere around here. Okay, right here, pushed price all the way up to 169.375. Okay, where we are currently. So um still more or less using the 4-hour structure. We can clearly see that the 4-hour structure is making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So for me, okay, for me to take a long type setup now, I have to see one of two things happen. Price break above this resistance area here. Okay, okay, make a new higher low type setup and then continue to the upside, following the bullish momentum currently on the daily. Or okay, price comes back to 168,750 area, an area that we've been rejecting since last week. Okay, and then continue from there. Retesting since we've seen this area test as support. So okay. So what I want to say is price come back, test it as support one more time before rallying to the upside. So for now, seeing how the daily closed, okay, I'll more or less be looking to be a buyer of Eurjpy than a seller because what this pair tends to do is continue its momentum. Okay, from what we can see here and in the past. So EJ is looking bullish. Okay, EJ is looking bullish and yeah. So oh, now does this mean the market can still see sell off? Of course, the market can still sell off. Seeing the price hasn't broke this area of resistance on the 4-hourly, the structure on the 4-hourly is still very much bearish. We are making lower highs. So for a sell type setup, I would more or less um say I'll more or less wait now to see bearish evidence. Okay, any sort of bearish evidence could be a doji, could be even an indecision candle after this momentum to show me that okay, this momentum has slowed down and the buyers that pushed the price this high are no longer in the market before I could be looking to take a sell. So when the daily time frame is pushing to the when the market is buying, you want to be a buyer, and when the market is selling, you want to be a seller. So right now the market is buying, and I'm more or less looking to buy as well. So that's what I'm saying. If price breaks above 100%, okay, make a new higher low, I will buy. But at the same time, the structure on the 4 hourly is bearish, okay, as you can see. So that creates sort of dissonance in the market, something I've learned over time. So the best thing to wait for now, if you want to sell EJ, is to wait for the daily to show you, to show some kind of setup that is going to push the downside, probably a bearish candle. So, uh, that's just my analysis for EJ, guys. The market is currently like in an indecision area for me, okay, in the sense that the momentum is pushing to the upside and the trend is looking to the downside. So let's just wait out and see how the daily candle closes today. Then I'll check back with you guys to see if we can call out any trades soon. Have a nice day, guys.